Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fidelity Investments app login problem. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.fidelity.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login button in the top right corner. So in order to fix your problem, first check your internet connection if it is stable or not. If internet isn't the problem, then check your username and password. And if you have trouble remembering them, then click on forgot username or password link. Again, if your credentials are not the problem, then try refreshing cookies and cache from the web browser that you're using currently. In order to do so, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Here click on privacy and security. Then tap on clear browsing data. Here you can see that the options are already selected. And if you click on last 24 hours option, you can change the time from which you wanna delete your data. Here I'm gonna select last hour. Now click on clear data button. Then tap on clear option. Once you do that, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix Fidelity Investments app login problem. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.